Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this glam makeup look with a blue sparkly lower lash line, just to kind of give it a different twist. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The first thing I did was priming the eyelids. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid. I haven't used this primer in a while and I do really like it actually, so I wanted to use something else because I use the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot in all my videos. So I will be playing with this palette. I will link all the products that I'm using in today's video in the description bar. And this is a palette which is in collaboration, so it's by Dose of Colors and they teamed up and he created this beautiful palette. So I'm gonna start with the color with this color, which is a light kind of like peachy nude brownish shade. First I used that lightest color just to set my whole primer in place, and then I went in with this color and I'm just blending this all the way in my crease. It's gonna be like the transition color, so I'm applying a few layers, and what this is gonna do, it's gonna help the other colors that I will blend more easily, because the first color that you use will already kind of lay this transition. So when you go in with the next color, it's gonna blend on top of this color and just make it more easy. It will fade into this color, and I don't know how to explain it in English, but it just makes it easier basically. So the more colors you use, the easier the blending is gonna become, because it just will get this gradient going from light to dark. So now I'm going with this color, which is slightly darker. I'm just doing the same thing. I'm blending it into my crease, just on top of that previous color that I used. I'm just slowly building it up by going in with the darker and darker shades. So I'm just continuing to blend. I keep adding more of the eyeshadow until I'm happy with how it's looking. So today I'm creating a really soft cut crease, nothing too complicated. So just a few of these warm colors in the crease. And then I'm gonna carve it out with some concealer, and that's all I'm gonna do. You know, to create a nice cut crease, you don't need like a lot of eyeshadows. I feel like the concealer part is like always the main part which creates the cut crease, but you don't need to use like very dark or intense colors. You can definitely do like a soft cut crease as well, and this will make it more wearable. Because I know cut creases can be kind of like intimidating, because I don't know, they look kind of that way, but if you use like really light and soft colors, it's gonna make it more wearable, but just different compared to like a normal eye look. So this is where I'm going in with the concealer, and I'm just using like a flat eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going straight underneath my crease. Like, I know where to go in with my line. If you do this for the first time, you might have to practice how low you want to go with that line, or how high you want to go. I remember back in the days I always used to go way too high, so I would suggest to first go lower, because you can always go higher. But if you have already applied your concealer too high, you're not going to be able to fix it anymore. So I would just say make your line a little bit lower, and then open your eyes, see if you like how it looks, and if you don't, you can always make the line a bit higher. That's the best tip I can give you guys. So now I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is a really beautiful color, and I'm just using my finger and I'm pressing this in the center of the eyelids. After this I will go in with the brush, but first I wanted to really see how much pigmentation I could get on with my finger. And it's just almost like a transparent color, but with a really beautiful kind of like sparkle in it. I absolutely love it. It looks even more pretty in real life. I feel like sometimes my camera does not do justice to how pretty these eyeshadows are. So now I'm going to go in with the color Stained Glass, and I'm going to use this all the way underneath the lower lash line. I felt like doing something different. Like normally I would go in with like a brown color underneath the lower lash line, but I felt like, let me just do something different for a change and do like the blue underneath the lower lash line. I really like it, and this color is actually so beautiful. You can see those really tiny subtle like sparkles in it, which are so pretty. So I'm just gonna blend this underneath the lower lash line. First I used the flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty, and now I'm going in with a tiny pencil brush, which I believe is from Morphe if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just sweeping my brush back and forth and just going in with a few layers of that eyeshadow. Then I used a blue pencil, which is from Nyx Cosmetics. I will put the name in the description bar. This one is actually super nice and pigmented, as you can see. I was going through my drawers to really find like a nice blue pencil, and this one is really nice. So then I went in with these Sigma Sultry lashes, but first I remembered, like, often when I wear lashes, I feel like it doesn't really look good without a line of eyeliner, because the lash band will kind of fade into the eyeliner. So I thought, let me just do a little line. I almost messed up, as you could see. The eyeliner went a bit too high, but I was able to fix it. I used a brush to kind of like smudge it out a little bit more. But I'm going in with mascara first, using the Nyx Cosmetics eyelash tweezer. I've been using this for years, actually. I bought it years ago, but I'm still using it. It was actually super expensive, I remember, but it was worth it because I've been using it for years and I never replaced the thing that comes in it. So I don't know, but it's really good. So now I'm using some mascara, and now it's time for the lashes. I absolutely love this lash style. I think it's so pretty. So I'm applying it in the center of the eyelid against the lash line, and then I will press the inner corner and the outer corner against my skin as well. So yeah, I'm just really curious to know how you think today's eye look turned out. Is it something that you would wear personally, or do you think the blue is a little bit too much out of your comfort zone? Let me know. I think this will be so pretty on brown eyes, so definitely give it a go. I think you guys will rock this eye look. And yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.